Hey guys, it's $1 million photography here, where we capture the moment that captivates you infinitely. And today I'm so happy, I'm full of joy. You guys have been supporting the channels. We have 14 subscribers now. Yeah, so I'm so grateful to you guys for the support. Yes. So in this tutorial, in this wonderful tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I used Prince Mayson Luts to get wonderful color graded images. The output are so damn, like, they are great, so nice. Good contours, good, everything is so perfect. Yes. I'm just so happy guys, and I can't wait to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this wonderful tutorial, this beautiful image, we have our beautiful portrait here of a model. Yeah, this image was shot by a friend of mine, Mo's Images. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to help me give him a shout out and thanking him for giving us such an amazing image for this wonderful tutorial. So well, I've done some little thing on this picture. So I think I did some frequency separation and dodge and burn. Yes. So let's do a short overview of what I've done. So let's turn off all the layers. Yeah, so this is the raw, although I'd already color graded this image from Capture One. If you watch my tutorials, you will see that I normally do to that. In the last tutorial, that's color grading like a pro. Yeah, I said I usually do two different color grades. That's the first color grade in the raw processing, the last color grade after the final process. So so let's do a quick overview. Then I created some layers first, then I ran the first frequency separation. Yes, so that was it, the before, the after, before, after. Then I did this, I created a stamp visible layer, then I did another frequency separation. Yes, so I think another yes, so on this layer, on this new stamp visible layer, this part of our skin was dark, that's our hand part was dark, so I increased the brightness by using my curves. I maxed the hand out, and I used curves, and I liquefied face just a little bit, as you can see, the before, the after, before, after, before, after. Then I clean the eye. Yeah, I clean the eye. Then also I did the wonderful dodge and burn. The before, after, before, after. Just a subtle dodge and burn, before and after. So that's all we've done so far. So I know you guys are so eager to hit the particular part to see the amazing results of Prince Mayson. Don't worry, just take a chill pill. Yeah, now let's get to it. I've done the frequency separation, I've done the dodge and burn, I've cleaned the eye. Let's get down to color grading right now. So I'm going to be using something they call Luts. And what is Lut? Luts are called lookup tables. That's the meaning of Lut. Yeah, like color Lut, that's what it means. That it's mostly a term used for color grade. Yeah, it's mostly an action used for color grade. Yeah, so all you need to do is come over down to this panel, down to this blending mode, and look for the option called color lookup. Yes, color lookup. Then you come over here to load 3D lots. then go to load 3D Luts. Yes, and I'd already downloaded the Prince Mayson skin to a lot. Yes, a friend of mine purchased it together, and yeah, so we're using it. Yes, so I just started using it, and I discovered some amazing things that the skin tone lot can do. So it's a shout out to Prince Mayson lot, seriously, and I'm going to also put a description below where you can get it. It's lot. Yeah, you can head over to his website and go ahead and get his lot, guys. Enjoy the color lookup tables; they are wonderful. So without wasting time, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So we've done the dodge and burn, we've liquefied, we've done the high whitening. Now when you load your Prince, let's say you've downloaded or you've been sent the Prince Mayson skin tone lot for the first time. Yes, I've actually extracted it, so I'm going to open it up now, and these are the lots. We have MSL 1, I guess this should be Mayson skin tone lot. I think that should be the meaning of MSL. Yeah, Mayson skin tone lot 1, Mayson skin tone lot 2, I guess. Yeah, so let's choose the 1, then go to load, and voila. I mean, look at how beautiful the image is already. It might be too much for you guys, or it is too much. Seriously, it is too much. Yes, it's too contrasted. So we can come over here and drag down the opacity just a little bit. And look at how wonderful our image is. So superb. Like, so... I don't know what to say, seriously, guys. This is the before and the after. Before, after. How wonderful these lookup tables are. Now if you don't want to use this, you can undo this and head over here, load another part. Let's load the MSL2. That's Mayson skin tone lot 2. And look at that. Look at it. You just reduce the opacity just a little bit, and voila! Look at it again, guys. Look at it again, guys. A wonderful skin tone for a beautiful model. Yeah, you can also come over here. You can load as much as you want. Anyone that works for you can use 2. You can use 2 at the same time. You can use 3 at the same time. You can use 1. Anyone, you can use as much as 10 as long as it gives you what you want, guys. So this MSL4, let's go for MSL4 or MSL3 first. Load that. It's the before and the after. Before, after. Oh my god, this is so wonderful. Now let's go to the part 4, Mayson skin tone lot 4. Look at this. Jesus, look at how wonderful this looks already. This is how it is. Yes, so reduce the opacity if it's too much for you. Reduce the opacity, and look at how beautiful it is. My god, damn. Now let's load another one. Let's go to the Mayson skin tone lot 6 or 5 actually, and look at it again. Look at it, 100% opacity. Look at how beautiful the image is already. My god. Let's reduce the opacity if it's too much, and just look at that beautiful skin tone. I mean, just look at it. Wow. Let's load another one. Let's go to the part 6. Oh my god. What? Can you see this amazing skin tone? Let's reduce the opacity of this one. Look at how beautiful. Looks more or less golden, right? Yes. I can see. Let's load another one. Let's go to the part 7. Oh my. Oh my goodness. What the? Beautiful skin tone. Look at the before and the after. Before, after. This is wonderful. Let's load the part 8. Oh my goodness. This is it, a full opacity. Reduce it. And oh my god. Damn. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Let's go to the part 8. Okay, I guess we've loaded that. Let's go to part 9. Let's put the 100% opacity and let's reduce it. What the? What? This is amazing. Now let's load the last part. Meyson skin tone lot 10. Let's click that. Let's put that at 100%. Oh my god. And reduce it, drag it a little bit down, and oh my god, look at how beautiful our model is with this skin tone. Jesus. Cheers to Prince Mayson. This is wonderful. This skin tone is so good for portrait, especially portrait, guys. This skin tone is wonderful for portraits. Look at the before and the after. Before and after. Wow. These skin tones are amazing, guys. They are so amazing. So for this image, let's just check again. Let's go back and load our color lookup table. Then head over, let's use the skin tone 1 first. Let's say it looks okay. Let's drag the opacity down. I guess this is okay. Yes. If you want to add more, yeah, this seems as in so perfect. But if you still want to add Jara, yeah, let me use that. Yeah, if you want to add to it, that's what I mean by that. So you put MSL. Let's use skin tone 6 and add to it. And damn, and reduce the opacity. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. This is so perfect. I mean, see that golden feel right there? Look at the before, the after. Oh my god, before and after. Wow. So guys, this is the amazing skin tones I discovered with Prince Mayson's lot. So stay connected, guys. Stay with us at $1 Million Photography, where we capture the moments that captivate you infinitely. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also tap on that notification bell so that you see whenever I put up a new video. Stay safe, please. Don't forget to comment below. Put out a shout out to Prince Mayson for providing us with these amazing skin tones. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for staying with us to the end of the video. Have a blessed day.